Yes, students. A very good morning to all of you. Take out your books and keep one pencil with you. Let's start with the reading. Okay, before proceeding further, first of all, who will explain me the chapter which we read yesterday, which we discussed yesterday in our class? Yes, raise your hand. Okay, Pratiksha. Yes.
ये होता है कि एक बार्बर होता है वो केक के बाल काटने की हेयर शेप में आता है
Speak loud.
लेकिन वो हमेशा बातें करते रहता है अपना कार्टून का ध्यान नहीं देता
Means he is very talkative. Yes.
तो वो क्या होता है कि जो केक है वो गुस्सा हो जाता है कहता है कि तुम तो ऐसी बातें करी जा रहे हो तुमने मेरा शेव नहीं कटा और मेरे को तुम भी कहा और जो बार्बर कहता है वो कहता है कि नहीं अब तो मैं आपने मेरे को बुलाया था अब तो मैं शेव करके ही जाऊंगा ठीक है जैसे वो शेव कर पूरा क्लीन कर देता है
Not pura clean कर देता. We have not read yet. It's not half. In fact, he used the eraser. In fact, not even quote, and we read just that in our chapter. Right? Okay. And who will tell me what is the meaning of chatterer? Yesterday I told you, what is the meaning of chatterer. Yes, lovely. Remove your mask and speak loud. Talkative. Okay. Yes, online students, you have to type your answer in chat box, beta. Yes. Assis Kaur, you have to keep your camera on. Subhanshu, Misbah.
Recording in progress.
So yes, now the next one is losing all patience. We have one phrase over there, losing all patience. What is the meaning of losing all patience? Yes, Dhruv. भूल जाना patience को. Sit down. Yes, Harnoor. हर्ष अपने काबू से means we can say that losing our temper. हाँ, being impatient or we can say that loss of temper. जब हम अपना temper lose कर देते हैं, जब हम कहते हैं ना हमारा एक सब्र होता है, patience होते हैं, उसको lose कर देते हैं. It means to write down the meaning in English also side by side. कल भी आपने impatient लिखा था. Write one more, losing all patience. So this is a proper phrase. So write down its meaning. Loss of temper. Loss of temper. Right? So next one. What is the meaning of seek? What is the meaning of seek? Yes, good, Simar. Last one. Attempt to find, we can say. Attempt to find. So please you have to write down proper meanings, okay, so that each and every word should clear to you. Yes, online students, side by side, beta, you also have to write down. So yes. Now, after that, let's start from page number 102. Open your book to page number 102. So today we have to start from third paragraph now. Finish shaving at once. Be patient. Be calm. Okay. Okay, now listen to me. Let's start from be patient once again. No issue. Okay. So now who will come to read? Yes, Aisha, come here. Speak loud, remove your mask and speak loud.
Said the barber. Perhaps you have not considered well what you were going to do. I wish you would tell me
Yesterday
what
we did
this matter of great importance is all about, and then I will give you my opinion on it. Finish shaving at once, the Sultan explained, but instead of doing this, the barber left the Sultan half shaved to go and see what time it was. My patience is excused, the Sultan cried. Be claim, my master, and you shall be shaved in a moment, said the barber, and saying this, he continued shaving the Sultan, but while he was he could
Doing this, beta.
doing this, he could not help
Talking.
talking.
Okay. So yes, students, in this what happened? Be patient, said the barber. Perhaps you have not considered well what you were doing to do. I wish you would tell me what this matter of great importance is all about, and then I'll give you my opinion on it. Okay. So yesterday we discussed that the barber now said if you have the important tasks which you want to do in the afternoon, you have to discuss with me. I'll give you my opinion on it. Yesterday we discussed the meaning of perhaps and opinion. Who will tell me? Yes. Nidima? Misbah, what is the meaning of perhaps and opinion? Rubika, Shvanshu, type your answer in chat box. Yes, Angel? Opinion, okay. Advise one say, or we can say that the viewpoint of the another one, right, on one particular thing, right? So after that, what happened? The Sultan said, finish shaving at once. The Sultan exclaimed. Exclaimed means to say, he narrated this word, he speak these words, right? But instead of doing this, the barber left the Sultan half shaved to go and see what time it was. So now in this chapter, it's mentioned that now the Sultan, his half head was shaved. Like we have a picture in our book also. Here, right? And now he was, seeing what the time is. So what happened after that? My patience is exhausted, the Sultan cried. So underline the word exhausted. It means very tired, or we can say that when we are completely, fed up, very irritated from one particular aspect. So we can say I'm completely exhausted, very tired. Okay? Very tired. Clear? So up to this mark, if anybody has any confusion, you can ask me. Each and every point is clear. So after that, what happened? The next one is, be calm, my master, and you shall be shaved in a moment. Okay, said the barber. And saying this, he continued shaving the Sultan. But while he was doing this, he could not help talking. It means still he was talking with the Sultan on some matter, and he said, there is no need to worry. I will definitely shave your head. Okay, but still he is talking and talking and talking. Clear? So now let's start with the next one. Okay, come Bhavika. After that, Lakshita. सबको चांस मिलेगा. जिनकी कल टर्न आई उन्होंने भी करना.
If you could inform me what this important affair is, I would give more advice, which you might find useful, he said. The Sultan was completely fed up by now and decided to satisfy the barber. He told him that he was giving a feast to some friends. Test to some friends at the noon, which was why he was in a hurry to leave.
Okay. So now students see what happened. He said ki after that what happened again the barber said ki if you will tell me on which matter you have to have urgent work, on which matter you have one meeting, or what is your agenda, if you will inform me then definitely I'll give you one good advice. Here what is the meaning of advice? ADVICE. Advice. We have two words with us. One is ADVISE. Okay. ये आपको I think so PT2 में भी आएगा. And one is ADVICE. What is the difference between advise and advice? Yes, Yajak, come here and explain to all with the help of example. Ma'am,
Advice means the action of giving
which advice? Because they are homophones. You know what is the meaning of homophones? When we have different two words, right? Their sounds are same, but they have different meaning. So these words they are known as the homophones. So advice, almost in speaking they are same, right? But we have their different meanings. Yes.
Like, like ma'am, in this we can say that her mother gave her an advice. Ma'am, advice it is a noun that we say ma'am in हिंदी like सलाह हम देते हैं. और मैम उस सलाह देने के जो एक्शन होता है कि हम किसी को सलाह दे रहे हैं उस एक्शन को हम एडवाइस कहते हैं, इसलिए एक वर्ब है.
One more example of advice of this advice SC1. Write this sentence. It's clear to you?
Yes.
Sultan, clear? So here this advice word it act as verb. Action verb. Right answer Hiteshi. His friend advised him not to cheat in the test. Yes, students, I hope the concept of advice and advice is clear. So here ADVICE is given, right? So who will explain me in our chapter this advice means? Yes? Yes, Lakshita?
यहाँ पे
Here advises works as noun, so वो एक सलाह बन गई कि मैं आपको और एडवाइस कर सकता हूँ, right? So which you might find useful. हो सकता है तुम्हें मेरी जो एडवाइस है वो यूजफुल लगे. CE वाली वर्ड है. Clear, Anish? So after that what happened? He said, okay, so now after that what happened? The Sultan was completely fed up by now. Underline the word fed up. What is the meaning of fed up? Yes, Gurkamal? Irritate. Write down exhausted, or we can say that irritate. Actually the real meaning is irritate. Exhausted, we can use exhausted as very tired also. So write down irritate, underline the word fed up, and write down irritate, and decided to satisfy the barber. And finally, the Sultan thought, now I have to satisfy the barber. मैं इसको बता ही देता हूँ कि मेरे को कौन सा work है afternoon में. Okay, and he told him that he was giving a fest to some friends at noon, which was why he was in hurry to leave. Okay, he said कि I call a few friends, okay, for the lunch and all that. Fest means किसी को खाने के ऊपर बुलाना, उनको हमने different dishes खिलाना, बुला के and have some fun. So he said कि that's why I am in a hurry. Okay, so next chart. इसकी टर्न पर नहीं है. Okay, Lakshika, come. Yes, sorry. And after that,
When the barber heard the Sultan mention a feast, he exclaimed,
it's not a feast, it's fest.
"That reminds me, yesterday I invited 4 or 5 friends to come to my house today, but I had quite forgotten it and have not made any preparations for them." The Sultan was at the mercy of the barber, was ready to do anything to be rid of him. "Be quick and finish your work," the Sultan replied, "and you shall have all the food that has been prepared for me today."
Okay. So now see what happened. The barber said to the Sultan when he listened about the fest ना, he suddenly remembered कि कल मैंने भी अपने friends को fest के ऊपर बुलाया था, and he said कि I just called 4 to 5 friends and I haven't made any preparations for my friend. And now you know the Sultan, he who was at the mercy. Underline the word mercy. Mercy means to say pity और चैरिटी. जब हम किसी पे दया करते हैं और किसी को कुछ हम दे भी देते हैं, है ना, दया करके किसी को, तो all of the barber and was ready to do anything to be rid of him. What is the meaning of rid of him? उसे छुटकारा माना उसने, है ना. इसके लिए yes, to be free. Yes, we can use to be free. Yes. Avoid is not, we can say that. Avoid तो हम किसी चीज को मतलब ignore कर रहे हैं. So yes, now after that what happened? Have you all written the meaning of mercy? Yes. Pity oblique charity. So we can use according to the sense. So here the mercy is pity. अब उसको भी उसपे थोड़ी दया सी आ जाती है. And Sultan said, I have food with me, so you can take food for your 4 to 5 friends from my. And moreover, he just want to free of the barber. He just want to get rid from the barber. So that's why he said कि okay, इसकी बहाने ये यहाँ से जाएगा तो सही कि इसने अपने फ्रेंड्स को ट्रीट देनी है. So after that, be quick and finish your work, the Sultan replied, and you shall have all the food that has been prepared for me today. So that he said, I will give you my whole food which I prepared for my friends in there. Right? So next one, be fast, beta.
"Please show me the food so that I may judge if it is enough for my 5 friends." "I have enough food for you," the Sultan exclaimed, but he ordered that all the food prepared for the feast be brought in. The barber looked over the food and said, "This is very good, but I shall want some fruit for the dessert." Also, the Sultan, in this desperation, since his head was half shaved, ordered that the fruits should also be brought in.
Okay, stop. So after that, see what happened. The barber is, you know, he has a very different quality in behavior. So he said, okay, please show me the food. And he said, I want to judge if it is enough for my 5 friends. अब देखो कि बार्बर के स्टेटस को कैसे दिखाया गया, वो एक सुल्तान के फूड को जज करने लगा कि मेरे 5 फ्रेंड्स के लिए दिस फूड इज इनफ और नॉट. And he said कि I have enough food for you. And obviously अब देखो कि जो सुल्तान है वो obviously मतलब different varieties भी बनाएगा और उसका फूड वो टेस्टी भी होगा, वो क्योंकि स्पेशल कुक्स के cooks ने मतलब बनाया होगा, and but still the barber said, I just want to check your food. And now we have over one word over there, desperation. Underline this word, desperation. It means extreme behavior. जब हम किसी से पूरी तरह से fed up हो जाते हैं और मतलब एक तंग से आ जाते हैं किसी के बिहेवियर से, राइट? सो एक्सट्रीम बिहेवियर, राश बिहेवियर, राश बिहेवियर भी हम कह सकते हैं, राइट? जब रफनेस नहीं होती किसी के बिहेवियर में, it means desperation, extreme behavior. And now the barber said, he ordered the sultan, in fact, along with this food I also want some fruits. Why he wants some fruits? Yes, for the dessert. Dessert or desert? Dessert. What is the difference between desert and dessert? You all know. Yes, Shivansh? क्या? After when we have some Swedish with us, but now see, he in dessert he wants fruits. So now he said, now the sultan was, he was completely fed up with his rash behavior, and now we see in the picture also his head is half shaved, and he ordered the fruits should also be brought in. अब वो अपने उनको order करता है servants को कि अब fruits भी लेके आओ यहाँ पे. So now let's lovely. Be fast, beta.
The barber left off shaving the sultan to
Examine, beta.
examine each dish separately. This took up half an hour. The sultan stamped his feet
Impatiently.
but the barber did not hurry. At length, however, he again took up the razor, but after a few minutes of work, stopped suddenly and cried, I never knew that you were so generous.
So now students, see what happened. There is not specific end of this chapter we have, right? The barber left off shaving the sultan to examine each dish separately. Examine means to say, yes, to investigate, to check, to investigate. Underline this word, to examine. Write down its meaning, to check, oblique, to investigate. Okay, and the barber now, what he did, he just leave his shaving the head, and after that वो एक dish को check करना शुरू कर देता है. See, we have the picture also, right? So after that, what happened? This took up half an hour. तो इसमें उसको near about half an hour लग जाता, आधा घंटा लग जाता है. So after that, the sultan stamped his feet impatiently. Stamped his feet. Underline this word, stamped his feet. मतलब जब हम जोर से अपने पैर को मतलब मारते हैं जमीन के ऊपर. So write down to keep putting. Write down its meaning, beta. To keep putting one foot down. Hard and noisily. Are you writing, Bhavika? You have done? Hardly, hard and noisily, not hardly, hard and noisily. I again repeat its meaning. Stamped up means to say to keep putting one foot hard and noisily. जब हम अपना पैर उठा के जमीन से एकदम जोर से मारते हैं. अब किंग जो है, सुल्तान जो है, एकदम गुस्से में है कि क्या करी जा रहा है, मेरा हाफ हेड शेव्ड हुआ and I have to go for the fest, I have to give treat to my friends, and still what he is doing. So after that, what happened? The barber did not hurry. But barber को तो चिंता ही नहीं है, वो तो आराम से अपनी dishes को taste करने लग गया कि मैंने अपने friends को क्या क्या dish देनी है. So now we have one more phrase, beta, at length. At length. Underline this word, at length. it means in detail, or we can say fully. In detail or fully, right? However, he again took up razor, but after a few minutes of work, stopped suddenly and cried, "I never knew that you were so generous." Okay, generous is means to say कि yes. Okay, yes, the polite. Okay, kind. Kind is a very correct word, but we can say that when someone showing a readiness to help someone. Generous का मीनिंग क्या है? जब हम किसी को डिफिकल्टी में देखते हैं एंड सडनली हम किसी की हेल्प करने के लिए रेडी हो जाते हैं. अब जैसे उसने देखा कि इसने भी अपने फ्रेंड्स को ट्रीट देनी, वो कहता मेरे मतलब लंच में से आप अपना लंच 5 फ्रेंड्स का ले दो. सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ जनरस. सो वी कैन से दैट शोइंग अ रेडीनेस to give more of something, especially money, than is necessarily, than is strictly necessary. मतलब जितनी उसको रिक्वायरमेंट है उतनी हम किसी की हेल्प कर रहे हैं. So this is the meaning of generous, or we can use the word kind also for it. They all are synonyms somewhere, right? So all the words are clear to you. Stamped his feet at length, and after that generous. जब हम जोर से अपने पैर को मतलब अर्थ के साथ हिट करते हैं ना, it means stamping. To keep putting one feet down hard and noisily. Stamped in feet. And after that, see what happened. Still we have the end of our story in this way. He was just tasting the different dishes of the sultan, and the sultan, he was still half shaved. Okay, and still he was praising, you are very generous, you are helping me, and we have not one particular end ki uska jo head hai wo completely shaved hua ki nahi hua, kya hua. So this is, as we read yesterday, कि this is a folk story. ठीक है, जो folk stories होती है वो superstitious होती है, traditionals होती हैं, है ना. तो इसके बारे में हमें कुछ नहीं पता कि ऐसा कोई सुल्तान था और बार्बर था कि जस्ट ऐसा ही था. So now बेटा, I hope the chapter is clear to all. Yes, Hiteshi, what is your doubt? You have to type in chat box. Yes, I will send you attendance link, Pushpa. Okay, beta, in the meantime, you all have to read the new words. New words are given to you, though we have done while reading the chapter, we have done the meaning of chapter also, defect, opinion, exhausted, desert, examine at length, each and everything we have done, but still have one reading, and I will give you one activity. Okay, and this activity you have to perform in your notebook from this chapter. Okay, from this lesson you have to find out maximum as much as you can past and past participants. Past and past participants. Okay, and people are not supposed to peep into your friend's notebook. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसमें 15 ढूंढे, मेरे 5 को आंसर आ गए, मैं चीटिंग करके लिखूं. आपको अगर 10 मिलते हैं आप 10 लिखो, 12 मिलते हैं 12 लिखो, 20 मिलते हैं तो 20 लिखो. Use your own mind. Okay. Yes, this is not a homework. First of all, just find out in your book. Read out, first of all, read these new words, and after that find out the past and the past participles, so that you may learn what is the meaning of past and what is the meaning of past participles. Clear? But I will send you link. Wait. At length, the meaning of at length is to say in detail. जब हम किसी चीज को और ज्यादा मतलब खींचते हैं, लंबा करते हैं, still means he is not shaving the sultan. उसको और बातें करी जा रहा है, उसको और stretch में लेके आई जा रहा है. Clear? Yes, students. Check out. I think so. You all have received attendance link now. Received? Show me thumbs up. Okay. Yes, now. Any other doubt? Beta, no, you are not supposed to write it these words in your notebook. Okay. If you'll get in homework note only then. But still you have to write down on your book. Do it. जिनको भी clear नहीं है कि what is the meaning of the past participle group, like जैसे यहाँ पे took word है, right? तो take, took, taken होता है ना, तो आप इसको ऐसे लिखोगे, take, took, taken. क्लियर हुआ? तो ऐसे आपने डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब्स निकालनी है, जिसको कि आप जूनियर क्लासेस में करके आए ना, B1, B2, B3.
सेकंड फॉर्म या थर्ड फॉर्म में
थर्ड जो भी आपको फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब मिलेगी, आपने उसको ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है, फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकंड फॉर्म और थर्ड फॉर्म में. तो इसको हम पास्ट एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल कहते हैं. आपको भी ये भी नहीं क्लियर आई थिंक. हाँ, जैसे नरेट वर्ड है, नरेट, नरेटेड, नरेटेड हो गया.
इसमें से
हाँ जी, यू कैन. Yes, any other doubt, beta?